Hi, and welcome to 4-Minute Answers, the place you can get quick answers to important questions. In this video, we'll show you how you can start with your own Notion account. Now, Notion is a powerful organization tool that we use to organize our work and life. We have a series of quick Notion videos here at 4-Minute Answers designed to take you from novice to pro. So subscribe to 4-Minute Answers, and when you do, leave a comment below that says you're a new subscriber, and we'll say hi. So let's get to it. As I mentioned earlier, Notion is a tool to organize your work, your projects, your hobbies, your tasks. You can use it to organize every aspect of your life. You may have heard others talk about second brains, the idea that you want to have a place where you can capture every idea, every meaningful fact you read or hear, anything that at some point might be useful, but to do it in a way that keeps all that information accessible. Notion is a great tool just for that. So let's get started. When you go to notion.so, from here you can either sign up using a global login, or you can set up an account using email. I'm going to use an email, 4minuteanswers@gmail.com. And they sent to me a magic link, which I'll get right here. I'll put that in. And now it's going to ask for some basic information. 4-Minute Answers. I'm going to set up there we go. I'm going to set up a password. And we are in business. This is for myself. You can do it for yourself or for a team. And now you are going to be ready here. So we are right here, and this is what it looks like when you get started. Now, Notion has 3 levels: a personal level, a personal pro level, a team level, and an enterprise level. And if you're just starting out, I suggest you use the personal level, just like we did. It's free and it gives you unlimited amounts of data that you can use. The personal pro level comes in handy if you plan to store files greater than 5 megabytes, or if you want to maintain version history for a while so you can recover from a drastic error. Now, I use Personal Pro and I pay $48 per year for it. For me, it's worth it, but you choose what makes sense for you. You can see that you have pretty much very few things. It's pretty much a blank slate when you first set up Notion, but this is the beginning of using Notion to organize your life. The first thing you'll want to do is to learn how to create a database, and in the description below I'll link to a video where we quickly explain how to get your first database set up. In the meantime, if you have questions about Notion or anything else that you'd like to see explained quickly, drop a comment below and we'll get to it. And if you're new to Notion, you'll want to subscribe to 4-Minute Answers so you can learn how to become a Notion pro. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.